Hi everyone, welcome to Pop's Delicacies, and today we'll be cooking veg pulao. The ingredients are appearing right now. You can take a note, and I hope you like the recipe and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more such interesting and easy recipes. At first, we are going to boil 10 cups of water in a large vessel, and here are the ingredients that I'm going to add in the boiling water: salt, cinnamon, mace, clove, and cardamom. All of this I'm going to add. Next, I'm adding washed and soaked basmati rice. Here I'm using 3 cups of rice and giving it a nice stir. Soak the rice for at least half an hour after washing 3 to 4 times, and have a look once in a while. It should not take more than 5 minutes. And we will not cook the rice completely, we'll cook it till it's 80% done. And I'm adding little bit of salt now because I've added rice, so I'm going to add little bit more salt. And here are the veggies: cauliflower, beans, and carrots. Have a look at the cuts that I have given. Cut it in cubes like this and add in the boiling water, so the veggies gets cooked as the rice is getting cooked. And therefore you need not boil the veggies separately or fry them in oil. Just with the rice, as you can see, the veggies also got cooked. Rice is 80% done, veggies are also crunchy, and it's done. And we're going to drain the water now and keep it aside. In a kadhai, let's take 2 teaspoons of cooking oil like I have taken here. Any cooking oil that you usually use, you can use that here. And I will add 1 tablespoon of ghee, or clarified butter as they say in English. Please add ghee for this particular recipe. Ghee is one of the most essential elements for pulao, and you must add lot of ghee. 1 tablespoon of ghee I have added here, and give it a nice mix with oil. And once it's hot, keep it on low flame. You can check the heat, and then add 1 clove, 1 cardamom, and a tiny piece of cinnamon stick. There it is. Let's add, and as I said, the flame is on low, and gently we are going to give a mix for 30 seconds, and after that we can add our raisins and cashew nuts. Now while adding raisins, you can keep the gas off or on low, because the raisins can get quickly burnt otherwise. So I am adding my raisins and cashew nuts, and let's give it a mix like this, and you will see it will soon become plumped up like this, golden brown. And this is when we can add our rice and veggie mix like this. Gently you have to scoop it off and add in the kadhai. Be gentle, otherwise the rice grains will break, so that's the reason we have to be very gentle. Basmati is so tender, I have opted to cook only 80%, because later on we can always add little bit more liquid and make it better. But if it's overcooked, it's really bad to taste. As I said, I'm adding 100 ml water now. You can also replace water with milk if you want. And once that is done, we are going to grate little bit of nutmeg. If you do not have whole nutmeg like this and just have a powder that you have bought from a store, you can also use that powder straight away. 1 teaspoon, in that case you must use 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder. That is done. And now I'm going to add my homemade garam masala powder. It's like a pinch of garam masala powder. It's also going to give a nice aroma and fragrance to the recipe, because pulao is all about fragrance and aroma, and all these ingredients that we are using here are going to do exactly the same. It's going to give a very nice fragrance to the recipe. And now I'm going to add frozen green peas. I do not find fresh green peas over here, that's the reason I'm using. If you do find fresh green peas, obviously you will find that in India. In that case, you must add the green peas along with the other veggies that we did in the beginning when we were cooking the rice. And that is it. Our veg pulao is all set to be served. with various curries, both veg and non-veg. Do try it at home, guys, and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And I'll come back with another interesting recipe the next time. Have a good day.